Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome back from the commercial break. We're here with another edition of Campfire Cooking with Rob. Down here on Swift Creek, we got a little gourmet meal prepared for you tonight. What we're gonna have is you see out over there, we got mayonnaise, syrup, ketchup, mustard, salt, pepper, and quinces. That's what we're having tonight. We're gonna cook it on that shovel right there over the campfire. Y'all probably ain't never seen nothing like this here. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it backwoods style. This is how we cook back in the old days. Start out with your mayonnaise. Put your little mayonnaise in your skillet there. You come with your syrup. A little syrup in there like that. You add ketchup. A little bit of ketchup. About like that right there. We're going to come with a little bit of mustard. A little bit of mustard on there. About like that. Now it's time for the main ingredient. What we're going to be eating. Red hots. Just toss them in the mix like that right there. We'll throw you a little bit of Crisco in there. Got to add that Crisco. Like so. That's where we're going to let her sit there and simmer a minute. It'll get good and hot. Oh yes sir, that's going to be mighty fine. Give that about a minute or so. That's some good eating right there, I'll tell you what. That's going to be fine. Oh yeah. Right. Oh yeah. Yes sir. We'll let that sit there and saute, see? We'll let that sit there and just saute for about a minute or so. And them red hots gonna be good, I'll tell you what. Can't beat that right there. That's easy, buddy. Let me flip them. Yeah, there we go. That ought to be about getting ready. I think we're gonna add a little bit of marinade, put a little highlight in there a little bit. Sure. I'm talking about a little cold beer. We're gonna be ready. Well, cigarette butt ain't never hurt nothing. I think they're about ready. Yes, sir, they ready.
Get me a bun.
Dump mine on this here plate. That's what I'm talking about.
Man, look at there. What you talking about?
That right there is some good eating, I tell you what.
It's in its own gravy.
You got that gravy. See, that's that mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup, and syrup and oil right there and beer.
Don't look that bad.
Actually, it don't. Anyway, that's another episode of Campfire Cooking with Rob. And I reckon we'll see y'all next week.
Give me a bun.
That's right.